Hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got another one from zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. The reason we got so many of these lately is I got backed up while working on the top 10 lists. And yeah, they send 7 per month, and I've got 2 months worth of them, so there's 14. But we're working through them. We only got a few more to get totally caught up. But this is Nissin and their VFO Victory Flying Object. This is kind of a nod to, what is it called? Karuma. This is Katsu, Soba, Yakisoba. Katsu means victory, and yeah. So let's get this going. Third one for a very happy Friday today. So let's do it in this sucker. That worked better. So yeah, I destroyed the tray and everything. So we're gonna use this. And this has been working. Yesterday it didn't work as well, but it didn't go too bad. Oh yeah, and it was interesting on the there you go. On the info thing for this, it said it took 5 minutes, but I swear this says 3 minutes. And yeah, right there. So see that? Let me see if I can get that just right. There you go. See, it has the number 3, and underneath it has a number with ML. So that's the amount of minutes and the amount of liquid that would go in. So if you've got one of those little water dispenser dealies, the really nice ones, you can just set that and it'll just dump it on in. So you already know how much water you need. All right. So this one, boy, this one took a lot of time yesterday getting ready to do the post. So there's this side, and as you can notice, it's very reflective and everything. Well, the other side underneath, it wraps around the bottom of it, and then it's flat on the bottom. So to get that ready for my post and do the images, I've got to cut that out meticulously with a pair of scissors, scan it, and then I got to Photoshop the heck out of it. So I got rid of the jagged edges and the imperfections, because what happens is these are all shrink wrapped, so they kind of stretch a bit. So I've got to work with all that, and when you scan it, no matter how nice and perfect and flat you get it, you got to fix those things. So it was a big lot of time yesterday working on that, but I got it done. Setting up these 3 reviews, I think I started like around 3, and I think I got done around 8, something like that. But it was a lot of sitting around in Photoshop. I dinked around and did other junk too, but yeah, it took a while. Guinea pig update. Let's see how the ladies are doing today. How are you doing, guinea pigs? They're hanging out next to their home, and they're being kind of cranky with each other, still jockeying for position as super guinea pig. They're out there over there chattering. They get cranky. See how much more we can zoom in. There we go. Cranky guinea pigs. Go say hi. How you doing? What are you doing? Come over here. Come over here. Come say hi. Oh, too late. You lost your chance for stardom. Alright, so now we gotta drain this big beastie mixture without burning our fingers. Yeah, this works pretty good. You get the steeping. Ooh, it's pretty hot. It's a lot of liquid. Oh, my jeebus. And here we go. Wow, this looks like it's going to be pretty good. A lot of big pieces of cabbage going on in here. I'll give you a look-see. Look at that. Cabbage galore. So these are all supposed to have something to do with, at least the ones in this box are supposed to have something to do with sumo wrestling. The sumo wrestlers enjoy large portions. I think that's the whole deal. And then also they mentioned it's during, when this one came out, it was like finals in Japan. Exams, as they call them. And so people are all like worried about it, but it's victory over the exams, I guess. Yakisoba, yeah. It looks pretty good. It's got a nice color to it. That's one thing that I really like is yakisoba, when it has like a nice look of flavor, at least. This looks like it has flavor. Let's give this a try. It smells like standard sauce yakisoba, which is basically what you'd probably be used to. Mmm. Oh, that's good. That's good. And then we got this, which was affixed to the lid underneath the outer wraps. And I'm gonna guess this is shichimi, the spicy concoction shichimi. I believe it simply means 7. So it's like a 7 pepper blend. But I could be totally wrong. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, that smells spicy. Yep. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. And we'll add that in. Give it a taste. Ah, there's some seaweed going on. There's more like a furikake, it smells like. Mmm. Excelente. That's a yakisoba. There's this old commercial for some domestic yakisoba that it's like the person in the video is like, what's a yakisoba? That's a yakisoba. Yeah, Miles is a he, Mimi is a she. That's the conversation of the morning in the peanut gallery out in the living room. And yeah, so we're about done here. Wow. Cranked out everything in pretty good time. And then we got some chashu. I think slapping a slice of chashu on anything makes it wonderful. And using the blowtorch at all times is preferable to not. And I need to, I'll say that like until I finally do, whenever that is. I need to put more juice in the blowtorch. I often say such things to remind myself and then continue to forget, so. Maybe today's the golden day. The golden day of remembering to do that. But usually once I'm done with this, I'm in a mad dash, so. One. I liked these eggs at first, but then I got a couple that didn't cooperate with me, so I'm on the fence about them now. That's how I roll. I bear allegiance to no egg. Sometimes I just add mung bean sprouts because it kind of seems like it helps with framing the picture of the bowl at the end. But there we go. They're playing rerun. I mean, they're all reruns, obviously, but they're playing ones they played recently on Leave It to Beaver. What's up with that? What's up with that, Me TV? I hear you out there doing that. That ain't right. And then we've got a slice of Wonderment. And since it's Fun Friday, gotta do this. Just gotta. It's time to do the thing that will shock and annoy some and make others go, oh. It's time for a bag of white goo, ladies and gentlemen. And a toothpick. The kids don't have a Facebook account, if you're wondering. My 5- and 6-year-olds do not have Facebook accounts. So here we go. We've got the mayo in there. We're pushing it down to the end. And we're adding the wonder and amazing-itude, like so. What about the rest of the mayo? Aren't you gonna scrapbook that? No, I'm not gonna scrapbook the mayo. I don't do that anymore. It was a big mess. And what else? I think we need some. I know I have more. Can't believe I'm so unprepared at the exact moment of truth. Oh, we got this one. Some shichimi that came with a special box, actually from Nissin, celebrating their 50th anniversary. I can't remember what the whole deal was, but there's some of that. Look at that monstrous beauty right there, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Super end of week Rotato Magical Fury right now. Well, that looks pretty good, man. I'd eat that, but I won't. Anyways, yeah, wow. You guys want to say goodbye to the nice people? Miles, Mimi? Alright.
Goodbye, nice people.
Goodbye to the nice people. Say have a good one. Alright. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, and this has been
Mimi.
And this has been
Mario.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.